Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off background sounds used when media is playing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. In the settings page, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on audio and visual. Next, tap on background sounds. And then we scroll down and tap on use when media is playing. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.